So recently, I attended an AI workshop, and this workshop basically dealt with AI safety and responsible AI and our role as engineers inside this society to build this AI ethically, unbiased, and uh, most importantly, responsibly. We all know that we are living in a very volatile society, and the answers that the AI provide can be really crucial to our peace of life. So, for example, way back when India's election was going on, there was a scenario where the deepfake of a particular minister got released, and the whole community went frenzy over it. The video went viral. It was forwarded through WhatsApp, Twitter, and YouTube as well. And seeing this was a fake video, the government had to take an advisory action or an immediate action to take down these particular videos so that it don't spread across the society. And this shows how crucial it is for our country or any country to keep AI or build AI very responsibly. It is almost as equally important to build AI responsibly as building a new model. You might know that AI generates based on the data it is trained on, and the most available document in the world is mostly English. And that's why AI is almost biased to a third party view or an English view of things. So that even though that is welcoming, it's not that great for rest of the nations or majority of the nations. And this happens because the English data, like I said, always give a third party view, and it does not know the in-depth knowledge of what is happening locally. And even though there are tools like RAG and internet searching or APIs that is being added to AI on top of the current models, help in removing these biases, it's not that great as we think. Because, for example, I personally speak Malayalam because that is my mother tongue, and the lexicons in Malayalam is quite different from, or in that matter, any Indic language is quite literal different from English. And when you divide the word to tokens, Malayalam tokens seems to be really horrible compared to English tokens. Then that's because of the data availability, and that makes AI slightly, not slightly, very much hallucinating in Malayalam languages or in any languages. And to be frank, AI do not speak fact. It gives us the probability of being the fact. So it is always on us to share factors to see how good AI is when you share a data that is generated by AI. And how do you know that is generated by AI? I think there is a fact checker portal by our Indian government to see whether if it is a deep fake or if it is a wrong information. And I think we should make use of this particular portal to make sure, okay, whether the fact is correct or not. And actually, we should take an initiative to cross-verify the fact or fact-check what is happening behind the information that is coming to us before blindly believing anything that AI spits out. And yeah, that's all I had to say. It was an amazing experience to sit in the workshop, knowing about how detrimental or how crucial AI is to the society, how it can make our volatile society crumble, and how we cannot be blind towards what is AI doing. And even though I am a pro AI guy, I believe we should be careful when you post something that is AI generated, to be frank. Yeah, so take care, stay updated, and tinker with experiments and fail miserably, just like how I did in this particular video, because I am running out of ideas.